So this is the Weber grill after about 5 years of abuse. We just leave it out in the rain. We don't have a cover for it. We use it every other day, and pretty much this function that it has at the bottom here, where you can take out the coals. I don't even do that. All I do is I come here and take all of this out, and I virtually just dump it out like this. I know this is pretty rough, but the point that I want to make is this thing has served us really well. You can come a bit closer. So I have replaced this piece, and it's sort of starting to edge down a bit, which is normal. I found the same with the previous one. And I leave it open at the bottom in the open position. I make my fire. Come back, we just have this grill that runs at one level, and this one's got the thermostat over there. Sometimes after some time I find it sort of bends out of shape a bit. You have to bend it back in to make sure that it fits tightly, but this thing has taken abuse. The weakest part I find is this legs section over there, and I've actually had to put a little bit of reinforcement there. That's really the only problem I've had with it. Other than that, this has been an incredible grill. I always use this charcoal chimney to start my fire. I just like the way it controls the amount of charcoal. Spread it up a little bit like this, and it is perfect and ready for about between 4 and 6 steaks. Once I've dumped my charcoal, I put this on, and I just let it burn clean. I can clean the grill like this too, but I let the heat do its thing, and in a couple of minutes it'll be ready for about 6 steaks. All right, fire's ready, so we're going to put about 5 steaks on today. Just spread them out like this. Big one in the middle, one on the side, and then I put the lid on. So I'll let it cook for about 8 minutes on this side, come back, flip it, 8 minutes on the other side, check the temperature up to about 129, and that's it. Very simple. It's an excellent product. So here we are at the end of my grilling. I had these on for about 8 minutes per side, and then I checked the temperature on them with this meat thermometer, and they're perfect. And that's it. Very simple, easy to use, great grill.